Ever stood in the kitchen, staring at a mountain of smoky leftovers, wondering if your hood is actually doing anything? Yeah, that frustration is real, you know. And the endless specs online? This video cuts through the noise, pinpoints the top kitchen hoods, and helps you pick the perfect one right now. Product number 1. Broan-NuTone Ductless Range Hood with Lights. Hey kitchen lovers, wow, imagine stepping into your kitchen and feeling that instant, fresh, clean air right after you finish cooking. Honestly, this is the Broan-NuTone Ductless Range Hood with Lights, 30-inch, white, model 413001, and trust me, it's a game changer. It's a full-size, 30-inch hood that fits right above your stove, but the best part? It's ductless, so you don't need to wrestle with messy venting or a whole new ceiling cutout. The built-in LED lights illuminate the cooking surface, giving you that professional glow while you saute, bake, or grill, and the sleek white finish matches any modern or classic decor. The motor's quiet operation means you can keep the conversation flowing while the hood works its magic. No loud whirs or rattles. And because it's a true ductless model, installation is a breeze, saving you time and the headache of hiring a contractor. Look, if you're looking for a clean, efficient, and stylish way to keep your kitchen odor-free, this Broan-NuTone hood is the answer. Check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 2. Hauslane Range Hood Under Cabinet 30-inch Duct. So, if you just watched my review on that ductless Broan-NuTone model, and you are thinking, wait, I really need something with actual ductwork and way more muscle for my heavy-duty cooking, well, look, I have got the exact upgrade for you. Honestly, stepping up to the Hauslane Range Hood Under Cabinet 30-inch Duct model is a total game changer for your kitchen, trust me. Wow, right out of the box, the brushed stainless steel build looks so sleek, but it is what is under the hood that really blows you away. Unlike basic units, this beast features a fantastic 6-speed motor, meaning you can dial in the exact airflow you need, whether you are just gently simmering some soup or searing steaks until the smoke alarm usually goes off. And speaking of smoke, it clears the air instantly. Plus, I am obsessed with the auto shutoff feature because you can just set a timer, walk away to enjoy your meal, and let the hood turn itself off when it is done. Check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 3. FIREGAS Under Cabinet Range Hood 30-inch. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you love the Hauslane 30-inch under cabinet hood I just reviewed, you're going to be excited because today I are stepping up to the FIREGAS Under Cabinet Range Hood 30-inch 300 CFM kitchen vent hood. Honestly, this sleek stainless steel unit offers a full-width 30-inch capture area and a powerful 300 CFM airflow that pulls smoke, steam, and odors right out of your kitchen in seconds. Look, the brushed finish hides fingerprints, the quiet motor keeps noise down, and the easy-click filter system lets you swap the grease filter without tools. Just pull, snap, and go. The LED lights are bright yet soft, perfect for chopping veggies, while the hood hums away. Trust me, the low-profile design slides right under your cabinets, saving counter space and giving your kitchen a clean, professional look. Plus, the touch control panel is intuitive. One tap for low, medium, high, and boost when you're searing a steak. So if you're after serious power without the noise, the FIREGAS is a solid pick. Check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 4. COSMO 30 inches. Vista Coll 380 CFM Duct. Now, if you are moving away from under-cabinet setups and want a serious statement piece for your kitchen, I am stepping things up with the COSMO 30-inch Vista Collection 380 CFM Duct Wall Mount Range Hood in stainless steel. Honestly, moving from our last pick to this wall-mounted beauty completely changes the vibe of the room. Wow, just look at that sleek, modern stainless steel design. it instantly makes any kitchen feel like a high-end professional space. Underneath that gorgeous exterior, you get a powerful 380 CFM motor that quietly clears out smoke, grease, and heavy cooking odors before they even settle. Trust me, your kitchen air will stay remarkably fresh, even when you are searing steaks on high heat. Plus, the bright energy-efficient LED lighting illuminates your entire cooktop perfectly, so you can actually see what you are cooking at night. If you want to upgrade your kitchen layout with something stylish and heavy-duty, you need to check out the link in the description right now for the best active discounts today. Product number 5. COMFEE Range Hood 30-inch Under Cabinet. Now, if you just watched my review of the COSMO Vista Range Hood, you might be wondering, what is the next best move for a simpler, budget-friendly kitchen upgrade? Look, that COSMO was an absolute beast, but honestly, it is not the right fit for every single home. That is exactly why I am moving right into the COMFEE Range Hood 30-inch Under Cabinet. Wow, what a sleek little unit this is. Trust me, if you need something that seamlessly fits standard under cabinet spaces without taking over your whole kitchen, this is it. It features a reliable 200 CFM airflow capacity, which handles everyday cooking smoke and steam with ease. Plus, you get the ultimate flexibility of choosing a duct or ductless setup depending on your kitchen layout. The button controls are super straightforward, and the built-in lighting brightens up your stovetop nicely. It just gets the job done without any fuss. Before you make your final kitchen upgrade decision, check the link in the description below to find the best active discounts available today. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Hopefully, you now have a better idea of which product to choose. Don't forget to check the links in the description and subscribe.